Local news for Monday, the 23rd of March. Saturday afternoon, the Ministry of Health confirmed Wairarapa's first case of COVID-19. A Carleton District Council staff member, the person did everything right and went into self-isolation as soon as they started to show symptoms. A community-based assessment has also been set up for referrals only at the Netball Courts in Colombo Road, which also opened on Saturday. The Wairarapa councils are strongly reminding everyone to adhere to advice from the government. Those over 70 or with compromised immunity or underlying respiratory conditions are to stay home, and everyone to practice physical distancing measures, keeping yourself out of any situation where you may come face-to-face contact with others closer than a metre. The requirement for physical distancing includes businesses. And Wairarapa Hospital will be contacting and rescheduling any planned surgery or clinic appointments. They'll be enforcing visitor restrictions at the hospital in the interest of minimising any possible spread. Only one visitor per patient will be allowed, no children under the age of 12, with the visiting hours strictly enforced from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. A single point of entry will be in operation and people will be screened prior to entry. And again, the three Wairarapa councils are uniting to fight the spread of COVID-19 and are asking the community to please follow the government advice. Councils have been advised to close libraries as well as aratoi as a precaution. For constant updates on what's happening, when and where, tune into Wairarapa's 89.5 MoreFM. For Wairarapa TV Local News and Sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.